back to another episode of CVTV Weekly. I'm Riley Scott, here with my co-host, Ellison.
In today's episode, we have 3 exciting segments for you to watch. Starting off, we have Carson Brown showing us how to make a delicious sandwich.
What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be making a sandwich. First we got our bread, but you gotta cut it open. So we're just gonna this is a fake knife, guys, don't worry. Fake knife. If I can even get this thing open. I like it when it's not all the way open, it's just open in the middle. Make sure you guys cut away from you, but I'm not doing that, Train professional. So we're gonna go put that away. Get your choice of meat. I got pepperoni because, I'm basic. I kept the bag open. It's okay though. Let's get this pepperoni open really fast. Alright, you guys can slap down as much pepperoni as you want. I'm gonna put probably about a handful. So there's already 2 on here, 3, 4, 5. That'll probably do it for me. And then you're gonna get your cheese. Personally, I like pepper jack cheese right there. I don't know why, just some good cheese. So we're gonna cut open this bad boy. Personally, I put 2 things of cheese on each one. I broke the cheese. It's kind of hard to do this. I hate when the cheese gets stuck together. There's 1, there's 2. And then you're gonna open it. Well, shake it up first, get everything mixed around. This thing will not open anymore. There we go. And then you're just gonna bob it down to the bottom. And it's gonna be like that. And then what you can do is if it's a big sandwich like this and the top bun doesn't go around it. Oh, I dropped it off. It's okay, we got this. You can just move that on top. And then voila, you got a good sandwich. This sandwich I could eat 5 to 6 times a day. Thank you guys for listening. Have a good one.
I'm ready for lunch now. Next up, we highlight our litter on campus. Please check out the video to see some tips on how you can help clean up around the school.
We need to make a difference. Let's start cleaning up and ensure our beautiful campus stays clean.
I agree. Our final video that we have for you today is our future drivers out there. Tyler Thompson and Marcos Ramirez demonstrate some tips on how to help you pass your driver's test.
All right, we are gonna be backing up. When backing up, have this hand over this seat. Look back, make sure your steering wheel is straight so you don't accidentally hit a car next to you. All right, perfect. Then look at the car in front of you, make sure you don't clip it. Same thing, arm over the passenger seat. Look at the window. And just like that, you have backed up safely. All right, especially during school hours, make sure you follow those steps because a lot of people do not know how to drive. All right, now we're gonna be checking your lights because they're gonna be questioning you this at the driving test. So if you can see right here, this is my blinker. So we're gonna do left, push it down. All right, just like that. Then we're gonna do right. Push it up. All right. Then we're gonna do hazards. It's usually in a center console, or it could be anywhere, but mine's right here. It's like this triangle shape. Press that. All right. Make sure that's good. Okay, now we're gonna be checking our brake light. Just press on the brake. Just like that. Perfect.
Thank you, boys. For all those with your permit may want to watch that video again.
Well, everyone, that is all we have for you today. See you all
Next week. Bye.
Bye.